Welcome to Belly Breath. Let's take a moment to pause and gift yourself these few minutes of stillness. Let this practice be a reset, an invitation to drop the tension of the day and reconnect with a calm that's always waiting within you. Settle into whatever position feels right, whether seated, lying down, or gently propped against something supportive. Close your eyes softly. Begin to draw your awareness inward, as though you were curling into the coziest corner of your inner self. Notice your breath, how it moves effortlessly. Rising and falling like waves on a quiet shore. There's no need to change it. Simply ride the rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Like floating along a river current, knowing it will carry you exactly where you need to go. If your mind drifts into thoughts, no problem. Gently smile at those thoughts and then let them go. Like releasing feathers into the breeze, returning once more to the sensation of breath. Invite the air to feel delicious, as though you're savoring each breath like a favorite scent on a crisp morning. As you breathe in, imagine your body being filled with soft light. Warm, gentle, soothing. Let that light cascade down your body as if gravity itself were pulling every ounce of tension out of your muscles. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, your hands go limp. For these moments, allow your body to be free, as if you've stepped out of time and responsibility. Notice the deep silence within. It isn't empty. It hums with a quiet wisdom, the kind that has always been with you. Whisper to yourself in your heart, wise body, thank you. I love you. I'm so glad we're taking this time together. If any sensation catches your attention, an ache, a flutter, or a tension somewhere, pause there. Rather than judging it or wishing it away, get curious. Breathe into it as if you were exploring a new part of yourself. Simply say, "That's interesting," and observe. Notice how, when given attention without judgment, the sensation softens or shifts on its own. Let your body know that it has nothing to prove. There is no task it needs to complete, no expectation it must meet. In this moment, you've shown up, and that is enough. Breathe deeply now. Feel the fullness of this inhale, as if filling yourself with gratitude. Hold it gently at the top, savoring the stillness. And when you're ready, let it all go with a long, satisfying sigh. Exhale everything, every bit of tension, every lingering worry. Begin to invite small movements back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, and stretch your arms. Feel yourself waking back into the world, yet still carrying the calm you've cultivated. Slowly open your eyes, noticing the world around you with new softness, as though seeing it for the first time. Thank yourself for these moments of peace. If this practice brought you comfort, please like, share, and subscribe so others can find a bit of peace too. Until next time, carry this calm with you wherever you go.